So to get the wipers in the service position, you actually have to start the car and then turn it off and then just hold down on the wiper stalk and they'll pop up.
Raise the wiper blade arm. Push the tab and pull out to remove the blade from the arm. Replace by sliding the new wiper blade up the wiper arm until it clicks. Gently lower the wiper blade to the windshield. It's best to scrape off ice and snow from the windshield before using your wipers. The layer of ice is known to have sharp edges that can reduce the effectiveness of the micro edge of the rubber wiper blade. Always replace both wiper blades, even if only one side is streaking. The rubber on the opposite side is likely worn as well. If you have a rear wiper blade, we suggest replacing that one too. Since washer fluid and wiper blades usually go hand in hand, we would recommend filling up your washer fluid anytime you change your wiper blades. Changing your wiper blades and upgrading to Sylvania Silver Star Ultra bulbs will optimize your visibility through your windshield and down the road.